Married filing separately is a tax status for married couples who choose to record their incomes, exemptions, and deductions on separate tax returns. My name is Kenya Sherd, and I'm an enrolled agent, a federally authorized tax practitioner. Today, I'm going to summarize when you should consider filing separately instead of filing jointly. Most of the time, it makes sense financially for married couples to file jointly. However, when one spouse has significant medical expenses or miscellaneous itemized deductions, or when both spouses have about the same amount of income, it might be wiser to file separately. Using married filing separately status may be beneficial to certain couples because combining incomes and filing jointly might push them into a higher tax bracket and increase their tax bill. When couples file separately, they must include their spouse's information on their returns. If you and your spouse file separate returns and one of you itemizes deductions, then the other spouse will have a standard deduction of 0. Therefore, the other spouse should also itemize deductions. Other than tax liability, there is one scenario in which married filing separately may be especially wise. If you don't want to be liable for your spouse's taxes and suspect that they are hiding income or claiming deductions or credits falsely, then filing separately is probably the best option. Signing a joint return means that both spouses are responsible for the accuracy of the return and for any tax liabilities or penalties that may apply. So, by signing your own return and not a joint one, you are only responsible for the accuracy of your own information and for any tax liability and penalties that may result. A couple things to remember: it's not necessary for married couples to declare their spouse's income when filing separately unless they live in a community property state. And number 2, married couples are permitted to file jointly 1 year and separately the next year. If you and your spouse have taxable income and you want to know whether filing jointly or separately is most beneficial, I would be happy to help you file your tax return this year. Use the link in the description or bio to schedule your free tax preparation consultation, and I hope to meet you soon.